All right, welcome to my channel. I just want to believe that you need TikTok followers and that's why you're here. Yes, you can make 1,000 TikTok followers in about 1 hour. It's very simple. If you follow these instructions, I'm going to get you right now. Just follow the instructions. First of all, look for those guys that are in your niche, or those guys that you want, that you know they are top of your TikTok group. Like maybe in music, let's say Adekunle Gold is your top TikTok guy, and if you look at the account right now, Adekunle Gold has just about 11 people that he's following, just 11, and he has about 416,000 followers with about 887,000 likes. So what do? To improve your TikTok followers, just go to this profile and click on following. 11, click on following. You're going to see all those who he's following, like Soft Made It, Sere Chips, Trader Talks, Asa Tammy, Lady J123, all these guys. What do? This is the trick. Pay attention. Pay attention. Leave whatever you do right now and focus, because this is your TikTok account. And if you mess up, then you don't have to get me response for it. It's working. It's worked for me. I'm coming here to get you guys informed about it. So try to be very careful about it. Now let's go to the game. Follow them one after the other. Follow them one after the other. Follow them one after the other. And what do? You wait for about 20 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds. Wait, and you will follow back. So let's just wait right now. So you can maybe have a stopwatch around you and see how it goes. If it's moving on. So you wait for 20 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds, and you follow back. You unfollow them, unfollow again, unfollow and follow again. So I'm just trying to set my time, my stopwatch, so that I don't make mistakes. All right, now I guess my stopwatch is telling me that I have about 10 seconds done. So before I started the stopwatch, it was about 10 seconds. So I believe I'm already on 20 seconds. So I'll now pause my stopwatch and follow them again. So I assume I've waited for about 10 and 15 to 20 seconds. I will unfollow them, then start your stopwatch watch again for about 15 seconds more. You're going to do this for about 5 times. And see how much improvement you're going to have on your followers. Now, this organic follower is not as if you're using kind of a boot. You are getting followers to follow you organically. So let's believe right now that we've achieved about 20 seconds right now. I'll pause my stopwatch and follow back again. Then the second stage we have done. Then wait again for about another 50 to 60 seconds, 20 seconds. I hope you're following right now. We have done follow, unfollow. We are now on another following again. So we have unfollowed right now. We want to follow again. Please, I want us to be very careful about this method. It's kind of risky. It's a kind of hack that most people are using to make their TikTok followers reach 1,000. I know when your TikTok followers reaches 1,000, you have so many opportunity to go. So right now, let's stop our stopwatch and then let's follow back again. I want to follow, and wait for another 20 seconds. So about to unfollow. So this is the second time I'm doing this right now. Yes, it's simple. You make followers like hell. And one thing I want to tell you about this. Okay, before I continue that one, let me just follow now. We've achieved about 20 seconds just now. Let's follow. Let's wait for another 15 to 20 seconds. Then when you achieve that one, like I want to say before, if you follow people and when you know that they are not following you, what you do, try to unfollow them, because it's a system. You don't have to make most people follow you, and you are following most people. Let's assume that you have 500 people that you are following. and maybe just 2 people are following you, that's very good. But if you have 500 people following, you are following 500 people, and just let's say you have 500 people, you are following 500 people, and just 2 following you, is very very poor. It's very very poor. It's not good at all. Like we see this Adekunle good account now, you can see that he had about 516,000 followers, and he's just following 11, just 11. So always make sure that those who you are following are always far less than those who are following you. So that's the kind of very kind of equilibrium pattern you want to use. Let those that you are following be far lower than those who are following you. So like this account now, assuming you've made about 1,000 followers, let it be that those people you are following should be about 5 or 6. It shows that you made interest, that people are really like your content, and they want to get more from you. That's why they are following you. But if you have people you are following by 500, you are following, and just 2 people following you, is too bad for business. So we've done about, like since I was talking to you, we've done about 3 to 4 follows right now. But I just want to assume that we've done 4. Let's just make one to make it 5. So like I'm just trying to wait to make it about 15 seconds left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go now. Let me follow. Let's wait for 50 seconds to 20 seconds right now to unfollow these people back, because those people that are here, they want to be very happy that you are following those who are the top TikTok guys, and because they are following, they see you as somebody who is focused to, who has good content too. They want to follow you too. Okay, it's not 20 seconds. Let me follow back, and this might likely be the last time. All right, let's start stopwatch again. So that's it. It's simple. We know TikTok is good for watching movies, but sometimes you don't need TikTok to get some followers and to get some real traffic to your website or to your campaign. Maybe somebody wants to sell a product in your area. You can move the product to TikTok and start making some money from it. People will see it, people will follow up, and before now you become a star. So let's unfollow them now. And see how much it goes. So we are done with the trick. So now wait and see the progress rate of how. So let's go to. You see, I already had 2 messages right now. You see, somebody is following for 5 minutes ago. Somebody is already following. You see some, they're only following. So maybe just a matter of time. You see, others will start following us. My network is a little bit slow. Maybe that's why. But you can see that this person followed just now because we did a follow back. You see, so just this is what I did to make Raudi follow. You can see this one. That's what I did. They're all organic, and it's making sense. So have a nice time. Come back and watch my YouTube channel. If I've made impact to you, please try to subscribe and get me motivated too. Thanks for watching. Bye.